Hello, how you doing? Hopefully good. In today's video, we will be building the Lamborghini Countach. It came out in 2022. It has 262 pieces, and its set number is 76908. This is the back. This set is actually retired. My hair looks stupid, so we're gonna fix that. Well, nothing can fix how stupid I look. Life is pain. Okay. This set is retired, so you can no longer get it. Well, I mean, you can, but it's not like it's no longer in shelves or stocked and stuff. Okay. Let's just open it. Put that down there. Okay, bag one. Bag two. This piece. The stickers. And the instructions. Okay. Alright, bag one has 2 mini bags in it. Okay, let's go ahead and build the little dude that we got in here. My hair looks really flat. Okay, where is theirs? Okay. Here's the dude. You can take off his helmet and give him hair, and you can also make him smile. Wow. Okay, we'll put him off to the side, and let us start the build. Okay, I did it. This is bag one. Got the stickers. Extra pieces include an extra visor thing, and then just a bunch of studs. Okay, now it is time for bag two. Bag two also has a little bag in it. Okay, let the building begin. Okay, bag two is completed, and so is the car. There's the little inside part. Car. Dude. Dude fix car. Dude drive car. I messed up with the stickers a little bit in multiple places. Like I put this on backwards, so I had to take it off and then put it back on. And I was very angry with myself, but here we are. And I fixed it, and everything is good. Okay, bye.